We'll guide you through how to use Zapier Webhooks to automate your workflows. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Zapier website. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard and click on the Create Zap button. This will take you to a new page where you can set up your automation. Now, in the Trigger section, type Webhook in the search bar and select Webhooks by Zapier. Choose Catch-Hook as the trigger event because this will allow you to receive data from another service. Click Continue, and you'll see a custom webhook URL. Copy this URL because you'll need it for the next step. This URL is what you'll provide to the service or application you're connecting to Zapier. It's essentially the address where your data will be sent. Next, go to the application or service you want to send data from, and find the option to set up webhooks. Paste the URL you copied from Zapier into the appropriate field. This setup will now send data to Zapier whenever the webhook is triggered. Go back to Zapier and click Test Trigger to make sure it's receiving the data correctly. Once the test is successful, click Continue. Now, move on to the Action section of your Zap. Here, you can choose what happens when the webhook is triggered. For example, you might want to send an email, update a spreadsheet, or notify a team in Slack. Search for the app you want to use, select it, and configure the action as needed. Follow the prompts to customize the action, connecting to any necessary accounts, and filling in required fields. Finally, give your Zap a name and hit the Publish button. Your automation is now live and will run every time the webhook receives data. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.